Hello everyone and welcome to another GitHub tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to change the visibility of a GitHub repository. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So all you have to do really is to log into your GitHub. Then on the left hand side, you're going to find your repositories. You're going to click on your repository. And once you come here, you're going to go to settings. And after you go to settings, you're going to scroll all the way down. And here you're going to see change repository visibility. So you can click here and you can change from public to private and from private to public. And that's it. That's how easy it is to change the visibility on a GitHub repository. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching and have an amazing day in any time zone. Bye everyone.